There is a technician shortage in the material handling industry, and how that actually impacts our customers and their throughput is massive. So if we can actually utilize technology to make them more equipped to do their job, it can actually make their hiring process easier. They don't have to look for extreme skill sets. So when a new facility hires mechanics to actually work on the specialized equipment, there is a ramp-up time where the facility cannot operate as fast because they don't have skilled technicians ready to work. So downtime situations cause operations managers to have headaches. When they can't get product out the door, they're actually losing dollars and throughput. That's what they care about. What causes product to not get out the door is incorrect preventative maintenance. So when a product is not getting out the door, it's stuck on the facility, and it's because possibly rollers aren't moving. Skilled technicians are very difficult to find who are ready to work on equipment from day one. So training is a very large aspect of what we do, but also making sure that they are ready to go and utilize technology to make them more equipped to do their job is key.